Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So just starting off on the weekly again, because this weekly bar is not over, and this zone of weekly support is very, very strong. So when you drill through the time frames, you can see, we tested it last week, 109,222. We have tested it this week at 108,950, but we did close below it, and now we're sort of rallying a bit. And if you just follow the trend line, the trend has been down. No two ways about that. But we are in such a strong zone that it just puts a decent amount of fear in me to try and continue trading to the downside. And we've got this diversion that I spoke about yesterday. It's still there. We haven't built any structure, and we haven't really drifted lower. I'm just going to put this pin bar here. So you can see there was a pin bar on the hour, and that's kind of what we came back to reject. So there probably was a short on offer there. I wouldn't say it all the way down to where it is. You probably got out of here. So it's a 200 points opportunity that was there. I'm still not 100% convinced. So we would need to get back above the highs of yesterday, which is 109,150, before I look at longs. So there's that. But because of these weekly levels that we're in at the moment, I definitely don't want to be short at the moment. I don't think it's the wisest thing to do. And you can see what happened here yesterday. Big up, big down. So either more of the same today. I don't think there is. I just want to go to the left here. Oh, there is a lot. There's another level to the downside here at 108,729. So yeah, I'm not keen on the shorts. I think we overextended at the moment to the downside, so I'd rather wait for a recapture of 109,150 and move above, come back, find support, and then look for the opportunities to the upside. Anyway, that's me for today. I'm sitting out of this one. I think the indexes offer a little bit of a better opportunity. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.